What more can you tell us about the deal that was just consummated?
Yeah, Zubin, well, first of all, great job by our Chris Haynes on getting that confirmed. I literally got a text message from BJ Armstrong, Derrick Rose's agent, while we were doing our last hit. It's going to be a one-year deal at the veteran minimum, $2.1 million. I think you can read a couple things into that. One, certainly the commitment from Derrick Rose when teams like Milwaukee and the Lakers and the Clippers all had more money that they could potentially offer him. That shows that he wants to be in Cleveland. But also the fact that it's a one-year deal only adds to the narrative of this is a make-or-break year for the Cleveland franchise. LeBron James can opt out in the summer of 2018. You have a guy like Derrick Rose coming on for 1 year. Perhaps this is going to be the last hurrah. And if he is a significant factor in getting them over the hump, in returning to championship status like they were in 2016, Derrick Rose, the guy who some would say stole an MVP from LeBron James back in 2011, could be end up being the guy who saves LeBron James for the Cleveland fan base and have him sign a longer-term extension because he feels like he's in the best situation where he can win.